country's contribution goes beyond economics. Protecting our planet from climate change is one of the most important tasks for this generation. If one country reduces its environmental footprint, it creates benefits for all others. It is for this reason that in the COP21 summit, India made far-reaching commitments towards the larger welfare of the planet. In history, every country that has grown has increased its per capita emissions footprints. We are committed to rewriting that history. We are committed to reducing the emission intensity of our GDP by 33% even by 2030, even while growing at fastest pace. For a country which is already at a very low base of per capita emission, this is a very ambitious target. We have committed that by 2030, 40% of our electric power capacity will be from non-fossil fuel. We have also committed to building an additional carbon sink of our 2.5 billion tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. This will be done by creating additional forest cover by 2030. This commitment is from a country with a very low per capita land availability. We have taken the lead in launching an international solar alliance involving 121 countries falling between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This initiative will help many developing countries from Africa to South America to take advantage of developments in renewable energy around the world.